Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set it up my face unlock a couple of seconds ago here, so we'll try once again. Yeah, as can you see, and now I'll just show you the face unlock test. I'll make a couple of tries, the 5 tries, and we'll see the difference between all the times, and we'll just check how fast this feature is, and if this feature useful to unlock the device, or maybe we can here use the another unlock methods. So let's try. I'll just try and check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method is work really fast here, and here we just can't tell something about the this option that our camera and the face ID locator is just hide here, so that's just not take a lot of time to unlock and to see your face recognition. So I just think that the face unlock method work here really fast, and that will be a really useful feature if you like some unlock methods like the face unlock or the fingerprint unlock, because if you don't like the SIM pin to enter the SIM pin if you don't like to enter the SIM the pin codes or the patterns, so I think that the face unlock feature will really useful for you. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.